Hi guys, I'm Joanna and I am back today for a highly anticipated video, at least by some of you, and that is for a review of my NuFace Trinity. And if you've been following this channel for a while, you know I picked this up like over 6 months ago, and I just haven't used it at all yet. For a while there I was testing out NIOD products, and I didn't want to conflate the results, whatever they may be, with whatever this can deliver. So I'm finally ready, and you can see this is actually even like still sealed. It has just been sitting in my closet. Hopefully it's not a dud and it actually like turns on and stuff. But I'm super excited to be testing this out. If you are new here, I hope you will subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. You can find me on Instagram as well. I'm much more active over there, so definitely find me on Instagram, Logic versus Luxury. Alright then, with that out of the way, let's get started. I'm going to open this up, read the directions, and I will be right back. Alright, inserting a little unboxing clip here as well. So this is the NuFace Trinity anniversary, which it's probably been way past its anniversary, but inside the box, this is what I have. So you have a couple of cards with directions and then some, product advertisements. And then here we go. You have the device as well as the gel primer. All right, so while the NuFace is charging, I am just quickly making a little clip here with my iPhone, leaving my big camera untouched there. But basically I just wanted to talk about my skin. So this is my kind of natural, skin. I have washed it, dried it. This is the situation that we're dealing with. And in particular, I'm not using any kind of lighting today other than just normal bathroom lights. And I'm actually going to turn off my vanity. This way you can have the really unattractive overhead lights. I swear to God, 90% of good skin is good lighting. So anyway, now that you have this overhead lighting, you can really see these like nasal labial folds that I have thanks to my chubby cheeks much more prominently. And that is the area that I'm really hoping the NuFace can, create some lift. So I'm gonna, leave my vanity lights off and let's see if this guy does its job. Sam? You want to say hi to the camera? Ooh. Okay, come on. All right, I'm back and the NuFace is still charging, but I think it'll have enough juice to get through this first trial anyway. And yeah, the directions were actually really easy. I was very surprised at how simple they were. And actually, yeah, it was much less complicated than I was imagining it would be. So I'm gonna get started and put on some of their proprietary gel primer. And this is just kind of the buffer to make sure that you're not shocking yourself. A lot of people who use this say that you can just use aloe gel. I'm gonna use it just in this section of my face to start, and you can see this shadow here. I mean, obviously we're all gonna have some degree of shadowing, but for me, I remember when I was younger, like, it was much less prominent. So, yeah, that is what I'm gonna be like paying close attention to. It's just this little shadow caused by my cheek on my nasal labial fold. And you want to apply this or do this process in sections because probably, see that the gel doesn't fully dry on your face before you're done. And I just put a decent amount on there. And I think that's good. And I think I'm ready to get started then. All right, so with the Trinity, you have, oh, I just turned it on. You have a few different settings of, how strong you want the shocks to be. So I think I'm gonna do 3. The highest one is 5. So I'm gonna do 3 to start off in a nice middle ground. And I don't know if I'm gonna see immediate results. On their instructions, they say some people see immediate results, others, you see kind of gradual results over 60 days. And this thing keeps beeping at me, so I'm gonna get started. So you just put it on and slowly drag over 5 seconds. And you don't want to get this in your eye area. It said to steer clear of the eyes and stay around just the orbital bones. Doesn't feel like anything, which is what it said. It shouldn't feel like anything. And you do this process 3 times in each section of your face. Has that been 3 times? I can't even tell. I lost count. I think that was 3, right? I hope it was 3. Okay, so let me get closer here. I don't think I'm seeing any immediate results. I don't know, maybe like a very, very slightly.
Freeze frame here. This was the best I could find before and after in angle and motion. And I think you can tell that it is a little bit less prominent on the after side, on the right hand of this screen, right? It doesn't look as deep as it was in the before. So this is interesting.
Let me turn on the front-facing lights. It's really hard to tell, I have to say. Maybe it feels like it's done just a little bit, but it could all just be my imagination. Okay, let me try the other side. Yeah, I think this is, honestly, I don't expect it to be doing instant miracles. So I will definitely be using this over the, a longer period of time to see. But this is primarily the area that I'm like interested in lifting. Maybe it's better if I just leave these vanity lights on, because I think it gives a better view of what's happening. All right, let me put some of this gel on my face. Okay, I don't know about you, but I feel like that side was more effective. Again, it's like very hard to tell, isn't it? I know I don't have like seriously problematic skin, so the results are probably not going to be as visible anyway. Let's see. Obviously when you smile, it's going to be prominent. Yeah, I feel like this side actually did have a ever so slight of a bit of lift. Interesting. Okay. So if I kept going with this, I would do my forehead as well. And I don't really have an issue with wanting to lift there, so I'm not even gonna bother with this right now. But I guess my initial impression, pending detailed review of my footage, is that this is very easy to use. It is very ergonomic. It feels nice. It doesn't feel like anything if you're using this primer on your skin. So in that way, you almost feel like you're not doing anything. Is it all a joke? But if you didn't have the primer on your skin and I like briefly touched my nose with it, where it didn't have any of the primer, you could definitely feel like a very subtle electric shock. In terms of cleaning it up, it just says to wipe it with a damp cloth, and I'm just using a Bounty paper towel, a damp paper towel here. So yeah, very easy to use, very quick. I don't have any complaints in that regard, so I am very curious to see if there are more visible longer term effects, but I guess initially it does seem like this side is slightly more lifted. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below if this is all in my head. But like I said, the product does say that some people see immediate results, whereas others require, up to 60 days to see more gradual results. So I am excited about this though, and I'm definitely going to keep using it. It says you should use it 5 days a week, at least, for best results. Use 5 days a week. So I don't know, that's quite aggressive. It does require a lot of doing to get that done in your 5-night-a-week skin routine. But so far, again, it's really easy to use. I'm liking it. I wonder how long the charge lasts. That's like my next big question, because I'm already thinking about traveling and if I need to like bring my charger with me. So that is a question that I have in my mind. But yeah, honestly, at this point, I feel like I did something here. I can't be 100% sure. I'll come back at a later date and make an update video for sure, because I think this is a very interesting product. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Clean up for this again, really easy. Just wipe it with a damp cloth, and then as for my face, I'm just gonna go wash it now. So have a great rest of your, I don't know when I'm gonna post this, rest of the week, end of the week, a weekend, whatever, whenever this goes up. Have a great one, and I will see you guys very soon. All right, bye.